Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Split tool in CapCut. Here are the steps to use the Split tool in CapCut. First, launch CapCut on your mobile phone. Then tap New Project to start a new editing project. Select your video clip. Choose the video you want to edit. Then tap Add. Locate your video on the timeline. Scroll left or right to find the exact part you want to split. Tap the clip on the timeline. This will display editing tools at the bottom. Move the white playhead. Drag the playhead to the exact point where you want to make a cut. So I'll move it further to the right. Tap the split option. Find the split option in the bottom toolbar and tap it. Now, your clip is now divided. The video will split into two separate clips at the playhead position. Repeat the process for more cuts. Move the playhead to the right and tap split again to make more segments. Edit each segment separately. You can trim by moving the white edges or add effects to individual split clips. Delete unwanted sections. Tap the segment you don't need and hit the delete button. Preview your edits. Tap the play button to review how your split changes look. Export your finished video. Tap the export button in the top right to save your work. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.